Hi, I would like to discuss the paper on the nuts and bolts of the India abusive fake government of Telangana, cyber policing against online sedition. So, background of this paper is J&H Jack is an offline organized group that has association with the online fake government of Telangana that had perpetrated many cyber crimes against the nation. Therefore, cyber criminal academic environment prevailed in the J&H academic environment. This case is big data crime. Table 1 below illustrates the degree of crime. Here the diagram, the screenshot represents so the screenshot represents the J&H Jack cyber criminal organization with URL jnthjack.com. So the number of cyber criminal organizations, there are two cyber criminal organizations, J&H Jack and CSGOT. Number of registrations 2014 approximately. Number of cyber crimes, there are 4 cyber crimes: state emblem, improper use, cheating, sedition, identity theft. Propose and hypothesis. As cybercrime researchers, we should track the cybercrime lifespan or cycle by field studies in police stations, courts, and the documents of the running cases so as to ensure a better role play in the diffusion of cybercrimes and the resultant deleterious effects to the individuals, society, and in particular the nation. IT professionals and researchers should work in tandem with the cyber police and the cyber law perceptioners for collaborative synergistic efforts to diffuse the cyber criminal organization effectively for progressive society and Swachh Digital Bharat. And then methods. So there are 2 points. Point 1, 2 cybercrimes of 4 crimes. 2 crimes are 4 crimes. Number 2, governmental action is the need of the hour. So case status information. So we represent the screenshots here. Figure 2 represents FIR 0053 by 2014. The police mentioned court disposal as the current status of the case owing to the acquittal of A1, whereas they failed to produce A2 in the court by separate charge sheet as said in the charge sheet against A1. So that is case status. The first one is the screenshot of case status and the second one is court judgment. So this screenshot represents FIR 006/2018 is against a violation of identity theft under Section 66C IT Act, whereas the complaint aptly claimed to register under sedition law violation against the fake government of Telangana, GOT 2011, is the new J&H Jack organization whose homepage dated August 2018 is captured in this figure, not a new version in continuum of the earlier Indian abusive cyber criminal organizations such as J&H Jack and GOT 2011, against which the police failed to issue prohibition orders or to ensure conviction. And then we discuss about results. So after filing the case in KPHB police station and all the commissionerates, Cyberabad, in all the cases. So this figure 4 represents image of RTI request document sent to the Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi. Image of RTI responses document received from DST, New Delhi. So here, so this diagram represents the tree of efforts and achievements. So this is RTI Act 2005, Cyber Remedial Forum, groundwork, ICT approaches, stronger groundwork, research papers, pro-national workforce. So with all this, we'll get the full fruitful results. That is digital society, knowledge society, well-informed society, progressive society, virtuous society, quality of national society, road to IT. So these are the fruits we are getting after doing lot of work on cyber criminal things. And then conclusion. So when we see the conclusion, we can find many things. So in the conclusion, we analyzing the cybercrime from individuals versus organizational perspective. What better JNTH Hyderabad Cyberabad Police, the government of Telangana, and the government of India could do? Point 4. Shading or peeling off the deleterious effects of the maladaptive dimensions of the organizational development. Telangana State Organization versus JNTH University Organization. The educated elite of the university are to be the torch barriers of knowledge and of good motivation and guidance to the general masses in the society. After repeated reviews, it is generally felt that the registrations of the crime by the Cyberabad police should have clearly, squarely covered sedition dimension of the crime case. It is dry research and teaching if one merely handles the subject only within the four walls of the classroom or the lab. One becomes a better researcher by studying the cybercrimes from a 360 degrees perspective, such as applicability of the big data dimension for a cybercrime. Our work leads to insights in the field of ethics in academic governance and establishing the same in the cybercrime affected JNTH. The selfish inefficacy of the university administration has set aside the issue of inculcation among the students of national affection, national fervor, national consciousness, national spirit, and love and commitment to the nation. Thus, the university has failed to fulfill the national goals in academics. Thank you.